I'm seeing some stuff. They have two of these really nice chairs. Oh, they also have this console table. I showed you guys this before in a haul. This one, the swivels. This is really cute also. So heavy. Ooh, they have some denim blue looking ones too. These are the denim blue. I'm literally having a seat in the section for $50. So, and then, hey everyone, it's Elle. So I decided to drive out a little further and go to this Ross in Sugar Land, Texas to see if there's anything new. The Ross closest to me is empty. Oh, wow. They have all the greens. And then they have, oh, I showed you guys this before in a haul, but they're $109 still. And it has storage. But there are these chairs behind it. Look at these chairs. So cute. They have two of these really nice chairs and they're $139 a piece. There's like this creamish color. Look, there's there. Really nice. Look at this little stool. Really cute stool. It's $39.99. I had to turn it over. I'll turn it back. But that is so cute. And they have two of them. And then they have this one, which is a Pottery Barn dupe. $36.99. But if you have one of these and it's just plain wood, just go ahead and taper it off and then paint the legs white. Okay, so cute. This is a real luxury looking bench right here for $119. Really cute. And they have a smaller one here. And then that one over there. Can't see the price. This one is $59.99 right here. Oh, they have marble tables for $29.99. This one. This is so cute. This would look so good. Is it storage? Yes, storage. I love this. 120, I should say. This piece here. And then they have this piece here. $99. That's $70. These up here for $49, and then they have these up here. It's so blocked off that it's hard for me to see anything. Oh, but they have these little cutie. This is so cute right here. Okay, and then this one here, $109, so $110. They also have this console table for $129. Separate drawers, really cool. Okay. And this one, the swivels. This is really cute also. No price on this. They have this marble one for $50. I have this chair in my closet. Show this? I'm not sure if I did, but they have the white one and now they have the green one. 110. A little nightstand here. You can get some cool little one-off pieces. And then 89. 99. This rounds off. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, so look at these bowls that they have here. Really cute. $12.99. $12.99. Okay, I have quite a few. I really love these jars. Like seriously, I don't have anything to match it. But anyway, here goes a little marble piece. $7.99. Thick looking bowls. $14.99. Okay, lovely people, it's about time for me to tune out, but there's still more to see, so stick around. There's some more decor in the store. I truly appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you soon.